In this old guy DIY video, I'm back for round 2. My initial pile of concrete set up, so we've got 1 ton done. Now I'm just establishing where this 2x8 is going to go. The 2x8 will actually go on the outside of the plywood, but I wanted to set the height, so I just took this screw and drove it through. So the screw is hanging out on the other side. I did the same thing on this side. So now, since I'm working by myself, I can take this 2x8, hold it on the other side, and screw it in, and I've established the height I want to run across from one side to the other. Now, I did learn a little bit with my adventure the other day. So today, where I have an opportunity for the concrete to escape, I threw dirt in there first. We did that on both sides. And then I exposed these ribs, so that's where the concrete's supposed to grab. And then when it came to anchoring my form, I put this 2x8 across the length of the thing, and then I ran chains back, put it under a pile of concrete, and then I have a 12-inch stake there at the end as the belt to go with the suspenders. Now this one should not be carrying the load that the initial one did, so I'm not so worried about it. But it's time to start pouring concrete. Well, the wind has picked up a little bit. It's a little cooler. But my learning by doing concrete abutment is pretty much in place. My goal here was to be able to recover my chain. So I'll let this set up a little bit, and then I'll try to pop that up a little bit later. But I might end up having to cut it off. But today I got 1,500 pounds. Yesterday was 2,000. So it took me 3,500 pounds of Quickrete 50-pound bags to put this in position. I'll show you what my form looks like from the side here. So that's what my form looks like. And everything is holding together, so I'm encouraged. I've never done this job before, and it appears to have worked out surprisingly well. I hope this video helped you. Have a nice day. Today I guessed 1,500 pounds would be enough to do the job, but I came up a little short. My local guy doesn't have any more Quickrete today, so what I've decided to do is I cut 4 pieces of rebar about 1 foot long, and I'm going to stick those in about 4 inches from the edge, and I'll come back another day and basically put a curb on that thing so I can push gravel up against it and it won't end up going in the lake, and I'll have it somewhat contained, and then that should be the end of this adventure. So this is my final video for today. I picked a spot that looked good for those little pieces of rebar, stuck them in about 7 inches, and now on another day I'll just build a little form out of 2x6s and set it on there and basically put a curb on it, and then I'll just push gravel over the top of this other piece of concrete and everything should be fine.